Race for Pepper by Cheryl Block. Since the accident almost a year ago, Pepper had become her constant companion and confidant. She shared her deepest feelings with him. When Janelle fell down, Pepper was there to cheer her up or just listen. He seemed to sense Janelle's every need. He could carry her pack and watch for traffic. He could pick up things for Janelle when she dropped them. Every night Pepper slept at the foot of Janelle's bed, right beside the wheelchair. Now Pepper needed her. Janelle's mom first noticed Pepper's limp. The vet said it was caused by hip dysplasia. The cartilage in Pepper's hip had worn away. She said Pepper was probably in constant pain when he walked, but Pepper never showed it. The vet told them that the only solution for Pepper was a hip replacement. But the surgery cost $2,000, and Janelle's parents were still trying to pay off her medical bills. It was up to Janelle to help Pepper. She'd been giving it a lot of thought, and she had an idea. The annual city fun run was coming up in a few weeks. Janelle knew that runners collected donations based on how many miles they ran, and then donated the money to their favorite charity. Janelle thought she could do the same thing, collecting the money for Pepper's surgery. But would people want to donate money to a dog? And would the city let her run the race in her wheelchair? Janelle was determined to help Pepper in any way she could. She contacted City Hall and got permission to participate in the race. She would have to start after the runners, so she wouldn't create an obstacle. That was fine. Her goal was simply to finish the race, not to win it. She then started collecting the names of people who would sponsor her. Every day after school, Janelle and Pepper would go from house to house in the neighborhood, asking people to sign up. Not everyone was supportive, but most people were willing to pledge something. Her friends at school found out about her cause and offered to help line up sponsors. A local TV station interviewed her and put her story on the evening news. Soon she had enough sponsors to pay for Pepper's operation. On the day of the race, Janelle headed for the starting line, Pepper by her side. Pepper couldn't run the race with her, but Janelle knew she'd finish for Pepper's sake.